In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Smartsheet. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and open the project sheet you want to share. This is the sheet where you want other people to be able to view or edit information. Once your project sheet is open in the grid view, look towards the top right of the screen for the Share button. This is your main control for adding collaborators and managing access. Go ahead and click on Share. A sharing panel or window will open. Here, you'll see options related to who currently has access, as well as different ways to invite new people. In this case, we're going to work from the workspace level, which is helpful if you want consistent access across multiple related sheets and items. In the sharing panel, find and click on the workspace option. This makes sure you're adjusting permissions for the broader workspace that contains your project sheet, not just the sheet by itself. Next, look for the option to copy a link. Click on Copy Link. This link is a quick way to invite collaborators, especially if you're going to send it through your own communication channels like email or a team chat tool. Before you share that link, it's a good idea to check the settings associated with it and the people you want to add. In the sharing window, click into the highlighted field where you can add collaborators. This is typically where you would type in email addresses or select people from your organization. Click on that highlighted area again if needed to activate it, then start typing the address or name of the person you want to invite. As you type, Smartsheet may suggest contacts. You can choose from those suggestions or continue typing the full address. Once you've added your collaborator, look for the permission drop-down next to their name. Click on the option that currently says something like Editor Can Share. This opens a list of permission levels. Click on Editor Can Share to confirm that this person should be able to edit the sheet and also share it with others. Choosing this level is useful if you want them to help manage both content and access. After you've confirmed the correct permission, review your changes, then click on Share to finalize. Smartsheet will send the invitations or activate access, and your collaborators will now be able to work with you on the project sheet.